Have you ever imagined owning a Tesla for just $11,537? It sounds unbelievable, but that number is catching the attention of shoppers who care most about real value. The Tesla Model 2 isn't built to show off flashy features or marketing tricks. It's built to redefine what truly makes a car worth paying for, month after month. That $11,537 figure isn't a sticker price. It's a realistic first-year ownership cost, made possible through incentives, smart design choices, and low-maintenance engineering. The key question is, has Tesla cut the fluff while keeping what really matters for daily driving? And can it change the way cars are built, priced, and sold so that buyers feel the savings from day one? If Tesla launches the Model 2 city by city, could the total cost of ownership stay affordable right from the start? With a simple warranty process and easy maintenance that doesn't eat up your time. If this practical approach holds true, the Model 2 might just become the modern-day Beetle, a car designed for real-world needs, not just showroom buzz. If this breakdown helps you understand the story behind it, make sure to subscribe to the Timefold and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next deep dive. What's the shocking reason the Tesla Model 2 can reach an $11,537 first-year ownership cost? The Tesla Model 2 is built around a simple but powerful idea. Remove what doesn't add daily value and standardize everything that can scale. Every design choice and manufacturing decision aims to cut first-year costs without compromising safety, quality, or reliability. When you look at both the engineering and the business model together, it's clear that Tesla's strategy isn't just a slogan. It's a series of measurable, predictable steps that make this low ownership cost possible. Smart configuration. The Model 2 ships in an essential form that covers all daily needs. Extra comfort or software features can be added later, either through modular options or software unlocks. This matters because timing your spending matters. Many owners realize they rarely use certain add-ons they paid for upfront. By deferring just 3 optional packs to the second year, buyers can avoid $1,200 to $1,500 in early expenses, saving roughly $100 to $125 per month during the first year. The result? A complete experience from day one, with the freedom to add extras only when you truly want them. Price Certainty Tesla includes a 180-day price guarantee for the Model 2. If Tesla lowers the list price within 6 months of your delivery, you get the difference back as a service or accessory credit. In the past, price cuts of $1,000 to $2,500 have followed Model 3 and Model Y launches, so this program can mean $400 to $800 of real savings in the first year. Just as importantly, it gives early buyers peace of mind. You can order early without worrying that a later discount will leave you worse off. Depreciation control. Depreciation is usually the biggest hidden cost. Tesla's buyback floor program in Europe guarantees a minimum repurchase value, around 82 to 85% of the original price for low-mileage vehicles. That means your Model 2's first-year depreciation could be just $3,000 to $3,500. compared to the $8,000 to $10,000 drop seen with many $50,000 cars. That $5,000 to $7,000 gap gives practical buyers confidence in predictable ownership costs and flexibility if their plans change. Simplified service. The Model 2 leans heavily on mobile and on-site service, meaning most small repairs can be handled at your home or workplace in under 90 minutes. Over 70% of basic maintenance jobs never require a shop visit. This saves both time and money. Skipping just 3 traditional service days a year can save $200 to $300 in time value alone. And that doesn't even count the stress of rearranging your schedule or finding alternate transportation. Tesla treats time and simplicity as real parts of ownership cost. Lower insurance costs. Because the Model 2 uses standardized parts and repair-friendly designs, insurance claims cost less and repairs happen faster. Insurers pass those savings back as slightly lower premiums, around $96 in annual savings. It's not a massive amount, but it stacks on top of the other cost reductions. And it doesn't depend on your driving data or commute. It's simply a reward for better repairability. Home charger credit. There's also an easy-to-claim bonus. Tesla certified home charger installations qualify for a federal home charging credit of up to $1,000. Since Tesla is a registered provider, the process is simple, and you'll likely see the benefit within your first year. Whether you drive long distances or stay local, this credit directly pushes your total first-year cost closer to that $11,537 target, with no need to guess about mileage or fuel prices. So, which part of Tesla's cost strategy do you think makes the biggest real-world difference? A. The progressive unlock configuration. B. The 180-day price guarantee. C. The at-home mobile service. D. The $1,000 home charger credit. Comment A, B, C, or D below. How does the Tesla Model 2's no-frills approach cut costs without cutting real value? The Model 2's guiding principle is straightforward. Keep what the driver uses every day. Remove what doesn't earn its place. Standardize everything else. By focusing on essentials, Tesla is building a car that delivers practical value, keeps production efficient, and redefines what affordability looks like in the electric age. Three main areas work together to bring Tesla's value-first principle to life: the body and finish, the service and maintenance model, and the electronics and software system. Each area contributes its own cost savings, and together they eliminate the small frictions that often lead to surprise expenses during the first year of ownership. Let's start with the body and finish. The Model 2 trades the panoramic glass roof for a solid steel roof, adding a quiet layer of dense insulation and thermal shielding. While a glass roof might look sleek, it adds weight, requires precise adhesive application, and creates a large sealed area that must withstand heat cycles and body flex. If it cracks or leaks, replacement costs on most cars can range from $1,000 to $2,000. The solid roof completely removes that risk. It also makes production simpler and more efficient. By limiting the roof to just 1 or 2 finishes, Tesla reduces color changeovers on the line, a process that typically adds idle minutes and increases the risk of surface defects. For owners, this decision has practical everyday benefits. The cabin stays cooler under direct sunlight, quieter during crosswinds or rain, and there's less to worry about during hail. None of these improvements require any extra learning from the driver, yet they each reduce the chance of a surprise expense in the first year. Now let's move to service and maintenance. The Model 2 groups high turnover parts into cassette-style modules. For example, the seats, dashboard section, onboard charger, or battery management system can be unplugged and replaced as complete units. Most of these repairs take just 1 to 2 hours. Owners receive a fixed price for the module and minimal labor costs, while service centers avoid long diagnostic chases, and parts departments carry fewer slow-moving items. If a full day without your car is worth around $150 to $250, turning what used to be a day-long repair into a short appointment saves both time and real money. It also removes hidden costs like rental cars or ride shares. The takeaway is that the Model 2's engineering choices are designed to produce predictable, fast, and affordable service outcomes. Next is electronics and software. The Model 2 adopts a 48-volt electrical architecture, which allows for thinner cables, fewer control boxes, lower weight, and fewer potential failure points. Inside, the cabin features a single lightweight screen that handles navigation, cameras, and phone integration, along with a few physical buttons for the essential actions drivers use every day. Fewer control units mean shorter assembly times and quicker troubleshooting if something ever fails. On the software side, Tesla offers a stability lock option, which freezes the interface and feature set for 24 to 36 months while still allowing security updates. This feature protects owners from the frustration of frequent design changes, especially valuable for those who don't have time to relearn new controls every few months. Preventing just one major software or interface surprise can save hours of confusion and potentially an unnecessary service visit. There's another subtle but smart simplification in the Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS. Like the Model 3 and Model Y, the Model 2 uses indirect TPMS, which monitors ABS wheel speeds to detect pressure loss, instead of installing separate sensors in each tire. Regulations require a warning when a tire is underinflated, but not a live PSI readout. Direct TPMS sensors usually cost $40 to $70 each and need to be recalibrated after every tire rotation. They also have small batteries that eventually die. By removing those sensors, Tesla eliminates a set of parts, avoids pairing labor, and saves owners at least one service visit and one parts bill within the first year. Exactly the kind of practical saving budget-conscious drivers appreciate. Why the Tesla Model 2's Pilot City rollout is a key to hitting the $11,537 target. From an operational perspective, the Model 2 doesn't need to launch everywhere at once. Instead, it makes far more sense to roll out in pilot cities, controlled ecosystems where everything is already fine-tuned. In a pilot city, chargers are reliable and close by, service centers are fully stocked, registration is streamlined, and vehicles can be shipped short distances from the nearest gigafactory. When all these fixed costs line up in one region, the Model 2's first-year ownership cost can realistically reach the $11,537 mark rather than remain a theoretical figure. The logistics behind it are simple. Shipping cars a few hundred miles from Texas or Mexico to a nearby hub costs far less than moving them across the continent. Shorter routes mean reduced storage times, fewer handling events that cause minor damage, and lower transit insurance costs. Each of these savings is small on its own, but together they allow Tesla to price the Model 2 more aggressively while maintaining a healthy margin. For buyers, that translates into shorter delivery windows, fewer unexpected documentation fees, and predictable parts availability thanks to a compact local supply loop. On top of that, local incentives stack neatly within these cities, such as reduced registration fees, municipal parking discounts for EVs, and home charger rebates that combine with the federal credit. The key advantage here is process efficiency. Instead of dealing with multiple offices and waiting weeks for paperwork, buyers see their incentives reflected immediately in the final purchase total. That immediacy helps stabilize first-year budgets and avoids cash flow spikes early on. Service quality also benefits from the focused approach. Each pilot city keeps a full stock of common Model 2 parts, meaning most repairs can be done in 60 to 90 minutes. Mobile service coverage increases, appointment wait times drop, and owners can fit maintenance into their regular schedules. The message is clear. A lower price doesn't mean lower care. It means a system engineered for efficiency, predictability, and convenience. There's also a natural marketing rhythm to this rollout that fits a value-focused car. When people see the Model 2 parked in apartment garages or at supermarkets, early owners share real ownership costs and service experiences in local communities. These genuine, small-scale signals build trust faster than national ad campaigns ever could. The proof comes from neighbors, not corporate accounts, and that's powerful. Finally, the pilot structure allows Tesla to fine-tune region-specific variations without overcomplicating national production. For example, cars headed to hot climates can receive extra insulation to keep cabins cooler and reduce AC strain, while dense urban areas might get smaller, more replaceable wheels to minimize curb rash repair costs. In short, the pilot rollout strategy doesn't just reduce costs. It creates a smarter, localized foundation that makes the Model 2's $11,537 first-year ownership target realistic, repeatable, and scalable. Because these choices are made at a regional level, based on real feedback from local service teams, they help prevent unnecessary upgrades and reduce spending on accessories that don't fit the local environment. The result is fewer surprise costs in the first year and a cleaner, more predictable ownership experience overall. When deposits open in a pilot city, a Model 2 buyer already knows key details: when the car will arrive, which incentives apply, and how many service vans operate in the area. That certainty locks down the variables in the ownership equation. At that point, the $11,537 first-year cost isn't just an estimate. It becomes a number you can actually plan around. Buyers don't have to gamble on delivery timing or wonder whether service capacity will keep up. The system is built to make that number real. So, if you had the chance to join one of the first pilot cities for the Tesla Model 2, would the guaranteed lower first-year cost convince you to order early? Or would you still wait for the nationwide launch? Comment early below if you'd be ready to join the pilot. The Tesla Model 2 sets a new benchmark for what real value means in an electric car. It cuts away what doesn't matter, keeps what truly does, and standardizes every process for efficient mass production, turning that efficiency into direct savings for the owner in the very first year. From phased feature unlocks and a 180-day price guarantee, to the global buyback floor, rapid mobile service, repair-friendly design, bundled accessory packs, low internal financing rates, and home charger rebates, every detail is chosen with one goal in mind: to make electric ownership genuinely affordable. Together, these choices bring the total first-year spending remarkably close to $11,537, a number that isn't a marketing slogan, but the product of disciplined engineering and smart financial design. If this breakdown helped you see how Tesla is redefining affordable innovation, please subscribe to the Timefold channel, and don't forget to like the video.